Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about state unemployment tax rates and what your rate might be depending on where you live. So let me get the video going here. So state unemployment tax is a tax that employers pay. Each employer must pay state and federal unemployment taxes known as SUTA and FUTA. So if you hear those terms, they're talking about unemployment taxes, SUTA and FUTA. The state unemployment rate is different for each state depending on where you live. So that's very, very important to understand. I always recommend checking out the website in the state you live. Every state government will have a website, and it's really easy to go to that site and check out what the unemployment tax rate is. A new business will be required to pay a different unemployment rate during the first year for most states, which will be a higher rate. It's called the catch-up year. So in the first year, you are going to pay a little bit more as later on in future years with your business. You can go check out the IRS website to look up state unemployment rates if you don't want to go to the state website. It'll take you directly to the map of the U.S. and get you an exact rate for your state. As I go through the video here, I just want to show you guys real quick. Our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, we offer a free online tax estimator where you can put in your information and see what your refund's going to be or your taxes owed. So at the end of the video, I always recommend checking that out. It's a free tool and very easy to use. The amount of the state unemployment tax rate is calculated by the actual wages per employee, and the cost is the responsibility of the employer, not the employee. The SUTA rate can vary from 0.03% as the minimum to 13.55% as the max rate. So 3% to 13.55 is a big range. Some of the examples of rates I have here: California is 5.4%, Florida 5.4%, so you can see some of the states are identical. Illinois 7.25%, Michigan 10.3%, Nevada 5.4%. So there's quite a bit of a range. To calculate your SUTA rate for yourself or your employees, you need to look at the year-to-date earnings of your business. You only calculate tax up to $7,000 for yourself or each employee. You can also check the Department of Labor website for more information on unemployment for employees. On this site, they go into detail, not necessarily the tax aspect of it, but how unemployment works, how the whole process works, why it was developed, and how it helps employees. So I'm going to take you to our site real quick. This is HarborFinancialOnline.com. This is our site. We offer a lot of free information on taxes, on credits, and deductions. So I'm going to take you through a few of our pages, just some of the more popular areas of taxes that seems to be coming up. So let's take you to some of our the child tax credit. This is a very big one. You do get a $1,000 credit for a child if you qualify. So I recommend checking out this page. It's a very informational based page like the other ones. It's going to show you guys how to get this credit. Even though you may have not got it in the past, you could qualify for this year. And that's how all these credits work, is that there's so many new credits out there right now that people are missing them. And that's another reason to use an online electronic filing, because it's going to catch any of those credits you didn't take. And even if you didn't take it in previous years, through the software here, you can actually go back to the other years and amend your old tax returns and get those credits and probably get a refund for older tax returns. You could go back 3 years ago if you need to. So let's... If you're new to filing taxes, this is a great page for self-employed. We have a lot of pages like this for small business owners that are new. and the different taxes that are going to be applicable to you. So I'd recommend checking that out, and you'll see on each one of these pages we have links that's going to take you through. So let's go back to the video. I appreciate you watching the video today. If you want to check out more, we have plenty more videos on YouTube. We have over 120 videos right now, and we're always adding new ones as the tax laws changes and based on requests for videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, learning about FUTA tax and SUTA tax. The most important thing for the employers to keep up to date on paying those amounts into the IRS, because like I said, there are severe penalties. So I do recommend keeping good track of that. Thank you.